Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make pizza dough. You need 300 ml of warm water, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, stir lightly and leave it for a few minutes. "500 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Mix the ingredients well. Add 50 ml of oil. Add the yeast mixture and mix with a wooden spoon. Transfer on your work surface and knead for 10 to 15 minutes. If the dough is sticking, you can add a bit of flour. Oil a bowl and transfer the dough. Oil the dough as well. Cover and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour or until double in size. Dust the surface and transfer the dough. And knead lightly. Cut into 4. Roll each part lightly and form a ball. Cover and let it rise for 1 hour before using. It's really easy to make and has a nice texture. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.